Welcome to our classroom. Here we follow some simple rules to learn and have fun together. Rule number 1. Raise your hand before you speak. It shows respect and helps everyone listen. Rule number 2. Be kind to your classmates. Sharing and helping make us all happy. Rule number 3. Listen when someone is talking. Good listening means better learning. Rule number 4. Keep your hands and feet to yourself. It keeps everyone safe and comfortable. Rule number 5. Always try your best. Mistakes help us grow, so never give up. Great job. Following the rules makes our classroom a better place for everyone.